Good morning everyone. Today we are gonna read our chapter 27 whose name is Chuskit Goes to School from class 4. So let's start. Chuskit's Dream. Today is a special day for Chuskit. It is so special that last night Chuskit could not even sleep. Do you know why? Chuskit is 10 years old. But today she is going to school. For the first time. She has been waiting for this day since long. Chuskit's school is not very far from her house. You have to take the big road and then walk along the lake. Cross the river near the poplar trees. And then after a small climb, you reach to the school. This is how all the children of Skidpopul village reach their school. All the children, but not Chuskit. Chuskit amongst photographs from Ladakh. Looking around, how do you go to school? Find out where Ladakh is. What kind of a place is it? At first, Chuskit did not know that she was different from other children. But slowly she found that she could not do the things that other children could. It was because of her legs. Since birth, Chuskit could not use her legs. Chuskit's chair. All day, Chuskit used to sit near the window and draw pictures. Her mother Amale said that Chuskit made the best drawings. This made Chuskit happy. But Chuskit was happier when one day her father Abale got a chair which had wheels. She quickly learned how to sit in the chair and how to move it back and forth. Chuskit was so happy because now she did not need her father to carry her everywhere. When she wanted to go out, she would tell her mother to put her in the wheelchair. Now, she could come outside on her own. Chuskit would see the other children every morning. They would be laughing and playing on their way to school. She wished that she could also go with them. Chuskit goes to school. One day, Abdul came to her house with a letter. When he saw Chuskit, he asked her why she did not go to school. Chuskit told him sadly, I cannot walk. Abale cannot carry me all the way to school every day. I cannot even wheel my chair as the road to school is not level. Also, how can I cross the river? Abdul asked, but would you want to go to school? If you could. Chaskit was excited. She said, of course I want to go to school. Just like all of you. I want to study and play. Her Memele grandmother stopped her
Her memory grandfather stopped her.
and said, Chaskit, do not dream.
Chaskit, do not dream.
You know that
You know that
this is not possible.
this is not possible.
What are the things
What are the things
that you enjoy doing in school?
that you enjoy in school?
Do you like going to school?
Do you like going to school?
Would you like
Would you like
if you never could go to school?
it if you never could go to school?
A good idea. Abdul went back from Chaskit's house,
Abdul went back from Chaskit's house,
but he had started thinking
but he had started thinking
of how to get Chaskit to school.
of how to get Chaskit to school.
He explained about Chaskit to the headmaster
He explained about Chaskit to the headmaster
and talked to the teachers
and about the teachers.
till they agreed with his thoughts. Now everyone got together to work
Now everyone got
so that Chaskit's problem could be solved.
Chaskit's problem could be solved.
They made a plan
They made a plan
so that Chaskit could bring her wheelchair by road to school.
by road to school.
For this,
For this,
the uneven road had to be made level.
the uneven road had to be made level.
One group of children
One group of children
started to level the road.
started to level the road.
Another group worked to level the area near the river.
To level the area on the road.
But there was still a problem.
But there was still a problem.
How would Chaskit cross the river?
How to Chaskit cross the river?
The older children
The older children
took help from the teacher
took help from the teacher
to make a small bridge with wood
to make a small bridge with
across the river.
across the river.
Everyone happily worked hard. They wanted Chaskit to come to school. Chaskit's Amale
Chaskit's Amale
and Abale gave hot tea
and Amale gave hot tea
and biscuits to everyone.
and biscuits to everyone.
Chaskit's Memele
Chaskit's Amale
had tears in his eyes, not because he was sad,
not because he was sad,
but because he was very happy.
but because he was very happy.
By the evening, the work was done.
The work was done.
All the children were happy,
All the children were happy,
but the happiest of all was Chaskit.
but the happiest of all was Chaskit.
Her dream was about to come true,
Her dream was about to come true.
and today
And today,
it was that special day.
it was that special day.
Chaskit was all ready.
Chaskit was all ready.
She was eager to go to school.
He was eager to go to school.
Chaskit goes to school.
Chaskit goes to school.
Talk about it.
Talk about it.
Who all helped Chaskit to reach school?
Who all had Chaskit to reach school?
If you were Abdul,
If you were Abdul,
what you have done?
what would you have done?
At last,
At last,
Chaskit could reach school.
Chaskit reached school.
Do you think
Do you think
that she may face some difficulties in school?
that she may face some difficulties in school?
What kind of difficulties?
What kind of difficulties?
If you were Chaskit's friend,
If you call this friend,
how would you help her?
how would you help her?
Do you have ramps in your school
Do you have ramps in your school
on which a wheelchair can move?
on which a wheelchair can move?
Do you know any child near your house who cannot go to school because of some difficulty? Would you like to help such a child? How will you help? Look at the buildings around your house. Can a wheelchair go inside the buildings?
Can a wheelchair inside the building.
Let us do.
Let us
Draw pictures of a ramp
draw pictures of a ramp.
and a wheelchair in your notebook. Why not make your own bridge?
Why not make it?
For this, use material that you can find around you.
Material that you can find around you.
Ice cream sticks,
Ice cream stick,
plastic,
plastic,
spoons, small sticks,
small sticks,
rope, string, etc.
street, etc.
Your friends can also make bridge.
Your friends can also make these.
And a group of friends
And a group of friends
make a model showing fields,
make a model showing fields,
rivers, mountains,
mountains,
roads,
roads,
and railway tracks,
and railway tracks,
etc.
etc.
You can use clay,
You can use clay,
sand,
sand,
pebbles,
pebbles,
twigs,
twigs,
leaves.
leaves.
Place your bridges at different positions on this model.
Place your bridges at different positions on